Taiwan Baitjunkie Prawn, you have done it again. Do you know why? Have a look at this clip. There you go. Oh, there you go. Good fish, good fish. Oh, on. Lots of bait fish. Taiwan prawn 2.35. First cast. So many bait fish. That's a good sign. The big predator usually comes. You like to eat bonito?
Yeah, I always eat bonito.
Yeah, same here. I mean, we Asian, we like the
Every time we cut, we do it
Yeah.
sushi because my friend is a chef.
yeah.
You're gonna cut.
Oh, lucky.
Yeah.
At home, I always struggle with my wife. Let's do she's a pepper rock who's gonna do the sushi. Cutting the fish is horrible, man.
Yeah. We're lucky.
It's the hardest part. Yeah.
He had a good knife.
Good sushi. Yeah, that's expensive, man.
Yeah.
And you need a skill as well. Otherwise, it take you maybe 1 hour.
We watch him. We try it. It's hard.
It is. Yeah.
And he's laughing.
Yeah. Where are you, fishy? Nothing here. Usually I stand over there, but stay here instead. Not far enough. Fishy, fishy, where are you? I think the number one fish gonna take this lure will be flathead, obviously. Number 2, Taylor. 3, breams. 4, Qfish. No, 4 salmon, 5 Qfish. The rest is, I don't know, like blackfish, mullets, mix. There you go. Flathead. Flounders. New species unlocked for the Zenek Inqlude. Oh,
I'm sorry.
look at that, it's moving now. Thanks for the fight. Let's try here. Hopefully I don't fall. Nope. I'm a ninja warrior. Let's go prawn. Let's go Baitjunkie. In a calm water like this, I recommend using size 2 jig head, and the weight maybe 112, 116. If it's a little bit windy, 1.8 to 1.4, so you can sink down properly.
Are you inline fishing?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah.
You caught anything there?
not yet. But
Not
I've got
yet.
a few bites from like flathead and tailor and stuff.
Oh yeah, I caught one flounder just now over there.
Oh
Yeah, but about that big,
yeah.
almost legal.
Oh.
Yeah, but chuck them back. Good luck.
Good luck.
Cheers. It's better young fan there. A little bit competition. Let's see who can catch first. Oh, there you go. Good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh, good fish. What is this? Woo! Holy moly. Wow. Where's my net? Don't let the line get slack. Don't go there. Oh, trevally. Good size trev. Look at that. Come here. Holy moly. Woo. Wow. He's probably my PB. Look at that. Trevally. Do you have a measurement by any chance? Yeah, do you mind if I borrow your measurement? Massive. I know. Yeah, I'm gonna release it back as soon as possible. Oh yeah, that'll be great. Chuggy trevally on the Cook's River system on the Baitjunkie Prawn. Thanks, mate. Cheers. All right. Oh, there you go. Woohoo! Thanks for the fight. Sick.
Good job.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. Didn't I say it's going to be super windy? Yes. Right now we are at 61 km/h in Cook's River. Fishing is like an addiction, you know. Regardless of the weather, you still want to cast and see what happens. The reason why I picked this spot, because it's southern wind is very good here. Very, very good. There are plenty of birds in front of us. Don't know what they are. Could be mullets. So I'm using a heavier jig head. This is 1/4 with Jbraid prawn 2.35. Let's give it a cast and see how it goes. Let's move to the left side a bit. Yeah, that's right.
Are you actually?
Yeah. Have you been fishing? Caught anything yet?
No, it's my first time here.
Oh, really? Yeah, this place is good when it's southern wind. Careful, don't get snagged. Anyway, good luck. Thank you. Away from the wind a little bit. So again, the lure is Jbraid prawn. Jbraid prawn with 1/4 weight jig head and size 2. Hopefully they can't resist the prawn. It's a very nice color. I have a good feeling flathead will be around. Wow, very strong wind. I'm still amazed that boy didn't get blew by the wind. It's very windy. Most of the time when I fish here, when there are plenty of mullets, there are no other pelagics. Most of the time, maybe like 8 out of 10. Oh, something hitting my line. If I catch one, if I hook up one, it's probably an accidental hook. Oh, on. This could be mullets, salmon. Mullets. Mullets. On the Jbraid prawn.
Yeah, mullet.
Mullets. On the Inqlude with our prawn. Gonna release it back. Thanks for the fight. That was a good fight.
Indoor Sydney fishing with Owen and Al.
Check out these other videos.
Come on, don't be shy.